In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header text color in Shopify. This is a simple yet crucial way to customize your store, ensuring that it aligns with your brand identity and appeals to your customers. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to refresh the look of your existing store, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to fire up your computer and log into your Shopify account. Once you're in the Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll find Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This section houses all your themes and gives you access to the customization options you'll need. Next, you'll see a sub-menu pop up. In there, select Themes to move forward. Now, this takes us to the Themes page. Here, you'll be able to see which theme is currently active on your store. You're going to want to locate the Customize button that's right next to your active theme. Click on that button. This action will open up the theme editor, a super handy area where you can make all sorts of visual tweaks to your store without touching any code. With the theme editor open, turn your attention over to the far left side. You should see an option labeled Theme Settings. Click on this to expand the Settings menu. Here you can adjust various aspects of your site, but for today's purpose, you're going to focus on colors. Within your theme settings, find and click on Colors. Opening this will give you an entire menu dedicated to all the different color elements throughout your site. Look out for Scheme 1, which usually represents the default color setting for your header text. Click on it to access the options you need. Now you're at the point where you actually get to choose the color for your header text. Alongside various sections, you'll see options for text, background, and buttons. In this instance, click on the part that says Text. Doing so will present you with a color picker, allowing you to cycle through the color wheel or enter a specific hex code if you have a precise color in mind. Play around until you find the perfect shade that aligns with your design goals. Once you've settled on a color, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll find the Save button typically located at the top right of the screen, or sometimes directly within the color setting menu itself. Hit Save, and your adjustments will instantly be reflected on your live site. And that's it. Your Shopify header text color is now updated. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your store, but also strengthens your branding across your site. Remember, you can always revisit and tweak these settings should you wish to experiment with different color schemes, or if your branding evolves over time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy customizing!